So, good morning all, welcome to Sakal Vidya YouTube channel. Now, today some newcomers are there. Yes, Rai Lakshmi, Panna Priyanka, Dandu Raishwaradi, okay, Murali, Maheshwari, right, Vamshi Krishna Yadav, Sanjeev Kumar, Bhumika, Bhavana, Prasanna, Nivi Reddy, Swati Singh, Suma, regular viewers. Okay. Very good morning, Gopal and Sri Havi Prakash Govind. Right, still joining. Right. Havi Prakash Govind. Bhavana, have you joined in WhatsApp group? Akash Vankayala, you are also new. Rajan Kumar, new. So, any new viewers are there, please subscribe so that you will get the notifications from us. Okay, yesterday one problem we need to discuss, that I will discuss first, then after that 83 question or something. First let us check it now. Right, this problem. Okay, let us do it now, this problem now. See, the circumcenter of a triangle with vertices minus 2 comma 3, 2 comma minus 1, 4 comma 0. So, better this can be done like this. First, perpendicular bisector of line joining these 2 points, let us find out. So, that means perpendicular bisector of these two. Perpendicular bisector of equation is given by like this, 2 into x2 minus x1 of x plus 2 into y2 minus y1 of x equals to x2 square plus y2 square minus x1 square plus y1 square. So, thus here x1 comma y1 equals to minus 2 comma 3 and x2 comma y2 is equal to, let us say, 2 comma minus 1. So, substituting in this equation, so 1 minute. Okay. Now substituting here 2 into x2, x2 is 2, x1 is minus 2, 2 plus 2 of x plus 2 times y2 minus y1, minus 1 minus 3 minus 4, this will be y equals to x2 square plus y2 square, 4 plus 1 5 minus 4 plus 9 13, 8x minus 8y equal to minus 8, divide by 8, you get x minus y is equal to minus 1. Verify the options. First option 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2, this will be minus 2 by 2 minus 1. Yes, first option is the right option. First option is the right option. So, actually you remember instead of shortcut, this is the very easy method, better you follow this one now. One of the perpendicular bisector equation find out, substitute the options which will satisfy. For example, even 2 satisfies, 3 satisfies, 4 satisfies means you need to find out now. Actually here what you need to do means perpendicular bisector of line joining 2 comma minus 1 and 4 comma 0 find out. You get another equation. For example, say this is equation 1, another equation is 2, solving 1 and 2 we get the same answer, 3 by 2 comma 5 by 2. Okay, I hope you might have followed this one. So, 93 question, 93, straight lines, part 9, today part 9. Question number 93. Question number 93. Okay. The image of the point, 3 comma 8 with respect to x plus 3y is equal to 7 is first option 1 comma 4, second option 4 comma 1, third option minus 1 comma 4 minus 4, fourth option minus 4 comma minus 1. Actually this model has not been covered so far. So, that means actually here 93, the image of the point 3 comma 8 with respect to x plus 3y is equal to 7 is. So, that means first let me give the shortcut for this one, formula, not a shortcut, actually we have the formula in board examination we have studied and also we derived also. x2 minus x1 upon a equals to y2 minus y1 upon b equals to minus 2 times ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Here x2 y2 is the image of x1 comma y1 with respect to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So, now let us do the solution now. Let us do the solution. Here solution. So, let x2 comma y2 be the image, x1 comma y1 equals to 3 comma 8. So, that implies now we get x2 minus 3, a means actually here 1, next y2 minus 8 by b means y coefficient 3 minus 2 times. So, in this line substitute 3 comma 8, 3 plus 24 minus 7 upon a square plus b square. A is 1 square, this 3 square, 9 plus 1 10, this will be 2 1 ja 2 5 ja. So, now this equals to 20, 27 minus 7, 20 by 5, 4 but minus 4. We get x2 minus 3 equals to minus 4 and y2 minus 8 equals to minus 12. So, we need to solve these two equations. X2 is equal to minus 3 plus 3, minus 4 plus 3, so minus 1, y2 equals to minus 12 plus 8, that will be minus 4. Therefore, x2 comma y2 is equal to minus 1 comma minus 4, minus 1 comma minus 4. So, that means third option is the right option. Ninety-fourth question. 94th. The image of the origin, O with respect to x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0 is first option minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, second option minus 2 comma minus 2, third option 1 comma 1, fourth option minus 1 comma minus 1. Okay. The image of the origin means 0 comma 0 with respect to the line. So, two methods let us do, first method and second method. First method is the formula method. Solution: x2 minus x1 by a equals to y2 minus y1 by b equals to minus 2 times ax1 plus by1 plus c upon a square plus b square. This is formula method. So, actually origin is x1 comma y1, x2 minus 0, x2 by a means 1, here y2 minus 0, y2, b is also 1 and minus 2 times, if you put origin here 0 plus 1, 1 by, actually you will be getting 2, 2 gets cancelled. So, that means x2 is equal to we have -1, y2 is equal to we have -1. So, x2 comma y2 is equal to -1 comma -1. So, this is now the fourth option. Method number 2. Method 2. The image of origin with respect to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is minus 2ac by a square plus b square comma minus 2bc by a square plus b square. Therefore, x2 comma y2 is equal to, here actually you see a equals to 1, b equals to 1, c equals to 1. Comparing this equation, substituting ac 1 only, minus 2 by a square plus b square 2 comma minus 2 by 2. So, answer is -1 comma -1. That means fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. Okay, Nivvi Reddy, Nikesh Nikki, you are new, right? Ashwa Reddy. $95. If -2 comma 6 is the image of the point 4 comma 2. With respect to the line, L equals to 0, then L, that means expression L, left hand side. First option 6x minus 4y minus 7. Second option 2x plus 3y minus 5. Third option 3x minus 2y plus 5. Fourth option is 3x minus 2y plus 10. This is the question. Right. If -2 comma 6 is the image of the point 4 comma 2 with respect to the line L is equal to 0, then L we need to find out. So, what does L stands for? So, that means actually here see, this is line L. So, it is a perpendicular. Image of this P, for example 4 comma 2, image of 4 comma 2 with respect to the line is Q minus 2 comma 6. Say this point is for example A. A is the midpoint of PQ. A lies on this line. So, that means first A point, find A point, midpoint of PQ, satisfy in the substitute in the options which will satisfy, which makes the option 0, that is the right answer. So, solution let us find out. A equals to midpoint midpoint of PQ segment. This equals to 4 plus minus 2, 2 by 2, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, 8 by 2. This is 1 comma 4. First option is 6 minus 16 minus 7. So, it does not equal to 0. So, it is ruled out. Second option, 2 into 1 2 minus 12 minus 5 does not equal to 0. It ruled out. Third option, 3 minus 8 plus 5 equal to 0. Yes. So, third option is the right option. You try fourth option also. 3 minus 8 plus 10 does not equal to 0. Ruled out. Ignored. Fourth option is ignored. So, third option is the right option. Ninety-sixth problem. If two x plus 3y plus 5 equals to 0, kx plus 6y plus 7 is equal to 0, are parallel, then k equals to, first option 2, second option 4, third option 6, fourth option minus 9. Right. So, these two lines are parallel, then we need to find out k value. These two lines are parallel means the slopes of these two lines must be equal. So, that means solution first. Slope of the first line find out, m1 is equal to minus 2 by 3, slope of the second line m2 is equal to minus k by 6. Since they are parallel, m1 equals to m2. That means minus 2 by 3 equals to minus k by 6. So, 3k equals to 12, k equals to 4. This is one method. Second method is a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2. Second method. Method 2, a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 means 2 by k equal to 3 by 6. This will be 1 by 2. Therefore, k equals to 4. That means second option is the right option. Ninety-seven. If 5x plus 3y plus 7 equals to 0, kx minus 7y plus 8 equals to 0 are perpendicular then k equals to first option 21 by 5, second option 1 by 3, third option is 5 by 3, fourth option minus 2. Okay. These two lines are perpendicular. Since these two lines are perpendicular, product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. Okay, first let us do first method. Solution. Slope of the first line m1 equals to minus 5 by 3. Slope of the second line m2 is equal to k by 7, minus k by minus 7 is k by 7. m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Since they are perpendicular, so minus 5 by 3 into k by 7 equal to minus 1. So 5k equal to 21, because minus minus cancel, k is equal to 21 by 5. Method number 2. Method 2. So what is the method 2 means? a1 a2 plus b1 b2 should be equal to 0. a1 a2, a1 is 5, a2 is k, 5k, b1 3 minus 21 equals to 0. 5k is equal to 21, k is equal to 21 by 5. So first option is the right option. First option is the right option. Ninety-eight. If 4a square plus 9b square minus c square plus 12ab equals to 0, then the set of lines ax plus by plus c equals to 0 pass through the fixed point. Pass through the fixed point. Pass through the fixed point. First option 1 comma 2 minus 1 comma minus 2. Second option 2 comma 3 minus 2 comma minus 3. Third option 2 comma minus 3 minus 2 comma 3. Fourth option 1 comma minus 2 and minus 1 comma 2. Okay. Right. 4a square plus 9b square minus c square plus 12ab is equal to 0. Then the set of lines ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 passes through the fixed point. Okay. Solution. So, first consider 4a square plus 9b square plus 12ab minus c square is equal to 0, write down. So, this you check it now, this can be written 2a whole square plus 2 into 2a is 4a into 3b 12ab, 9b square can be written 3b whole square minus c square is equal to 0. See, if you observe these three terms, so these three terms are perfect square. So, we can write 2a plus 3b whole square minus c square is equal to 0. Now, this right hand side is in the form of a square minus b square form. A plus b into a minus b we can write. So, that means 2a plus 3b plus c into 2a plus 3b minus c equals to 0. That means here we get two conditions, 2a plus 3b plus c equals to 0, equation 1, 2a plus 3b minus c is equal to 0, equation 2. Keeping these two conditions, we need to find out a fixed point for this line, we need to find out. (2a plus 3b plus c is equal to 0), one condition. What we have the second condition? 2a plus 3b minus c equals to 0. Actually, line is what? Ax plus by plus c equals to 0. This is the family of lines. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Providing this condition, we need to find out the fixed point through which the family of lines is passing, we need to find out. Comparing a, b and c coefficients. That means x by 2, y by 3, 1 by 1, 1. That means x comma y is equal to 2 comma 3. It passes through the point 2 comma 3. So, with respect to this condition now, here comparing same ABC coefficients, we have x by 2 equals to y by 3 equals to 1 by minus 1, x comma y equals to minus 2 comma minus 3. Therefore, they pass through 2 comma 3 and minus 2 comma minus 3. Second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. Tomorrow straight lines will be completed. So, because we have plenty of time, actually as for the paper media reports, The Eamcet examination will be conducted in the month of July. We have plenty of time, so let us do the more number of models, that will be beneficial to you. Right. Question number 99. Right. If alpha, beta, gamma are the real roots, yes, July 27th to 31st. Okay, so plenty of time. Real roots of the equation x cube minus 3px square plus 3qx minus 1 is equal to 0. Then the centroid of the triangle with vertices alpha comma 1 by alpha, beta comma 1 by beta, gamma comma 1 by gamma is right. First option p comma q, second option p by 3 comma q by 3, third option is p plus q comma p minus q, fourth option 3p comma 3q. This is the question. Okay. Actually, this is the connection problem between theory of equations and coordinate geometry. Right now, alpha, beta, gamma are the real roots of the equation. Then the centroid of the triangle with vertices alpha comma 1 by alpha, beta comma 1 by beta, gamma comma 1 by gamma we need to find out. So, that means first of all this x cube minus 3px square plus 3qx minus 1 is equal to 0 has 3 roots alpha, beta, gamma. We can find out alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is actually minus x square coefficient by x cube coefficient 3p. This is also called S1, S2 alpha, beta, beta, gamma, gamma, alpha equal to, this is actually ax c by a, this will be 3q. Next alpha, beta, gamma minus d by a, so plus 1. So, next now we need to find out, we know these values. So, here solution 99 Tell me what is alpha plus beta plus gamma? That is S1 equal to how much? 3p. Next S2 alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha 3q. S3 alpha beta gamma is equal to 1. First you find out centroid. Centroid means x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is the centroid of the triangle. So x1 means alpha plus beta plus gamma by 3, whereas this is 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma by 3. Okay, first let us separately find out 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. Here LCM is alpha beta gamma, here beta gamma plus gamma alpha alpha beta. This is nothing but actually S2 3q by 1, 3q this value. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is 3p. So substituting here 3p by 3 comma this will be equal to 3q by 3. So equals to p comma q is the centroid of the triangle. P comma q. First option. Okay. So now we are reaching to the century, 100th question. Yes, century. Okay. Do you play cricket? Hundred. Right. If x plus what happened to the century? When you get the century, this is nervous 90 is called. Okay. X plus 3y is equal to 16 is the perpendicular bisector of AB bar and A 5 comma 7 and A 5 comma 7, then B is Vanita, yesterday you were there. First you need to subscribe. Two comma 1, second option is 3 comma 1, third option is 9 comma 1, fourth option is minus 2 comma minus 3. Okay. X plus 3y equals to 16 is the perpendicular bisector of AB, A 5 comma 7. Then we need to find out B. So that means, for example, take the line segment this is A, this is B, this is the perpendicular bisector, this is the perpendicular bisector whose equation is given by x plus 3y minus 16 equals to 0. Here A coordinates are given 5 comma 7. Now B coordinates we need to find out, say x2 comma y2. This is perpendicular, this will be the midpoint, this PA equals to PB. So now if you observe, the B is the image of A with respect to this line. So now solution, B is equal to the image of A 5 comma 7, this is the problem, with respect to x plus 3y minus 16 is equal to 0. Now we need to find out B. Formula x2 minus x1 5 by A 1, y2 minus y1 7 by 3 minus 2 times, substitute this point in this one, 5 plus 21 minus 16 by 1 square is 9, 3 square 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9, 9 plus 1 10. So now this equals to 36 minus 16, 26 minus 16 is 10, this will be minus 2. So we get two equations, x2 minus 5 equals to minus 2, one equation. Other equation is y2 minus 7 is equal to, just observe carefully, 3 into minus 2 minus 6. We need to solve these two equations, x2 equals to 3, y2 equals to 1, that means 3 comma 1. So this point, these coordinates are 3 comma 1, that means second option is the right option. I am Saraswati, Sarasai, Bhulakshmi. First subscribe first of all, Bhulakshmi. Kapil. So now century completed, we are reaching 101. 101, yes, but your viewers are not completed. The image of line of 2x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0 with respect to 3x minus 2y plus 4 equals to 0 is first option 14x plus 23y minus 40 equals to 0, second option 22x minus 19y plus 77 equals to 0, third option 2x minus y plus 7 equals to 0, fourth option 3x minus 2y plus 11 equals to 0. Anukshatriya. Okay, Jampana. First subscribe first of all. No problem, Saranya. You can watch later also. After completion of this session, you can watch it. That's why only in between 9:30 to 10 I have discussed all the previous problems itself only. So now I started the actually different problems. New viewers are coming, old viewers are gone. Yes. Right. The image of line of 2x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0 with respect to 3x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0 is. So now I give the shortcut for this one. Remember shortcut. Instead of doing better, you remember the image of one line with respect to other line. So that means, for example, image of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 with respect to lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 is also a line. So how to remember means ax plus by plus c upon this lx plus my plus n write down equals to a into l al, b into m bm multiplied by 2 divided by this L square plus M square write down. After cross multiplication you get a line. So this we need to find out. Okay. So now image of this line we need. So 2x minus y minus 1 upon 3x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 2 into 3 6 minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2 into 2. This is 2 into al plus bm by L square plus M square, 9 plus this will be 4. So this equal to 16 upon 13 cross multiplication. We get like this 16 into 3 48x minus 32y plus 64 equal to 26x minus 13y minus 13. So 48x minus 26 to 22x minus 32y plus 13 minus 19y 64 plus 13 77 equals to 0. So that means second option is the right option. Yes, 102, 102, yes. The equation to the base of an equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle is 3x minus 4y plus 15 is equal to 0, and one vertex is and one vertex is 1 comma 2. The length of the side, of equilateral triangle, the length of the side is okay. I think you viewers are not interested to score a century, so that might be Vamshi Krishna. They don't do the taste of century. Four by root 3, 1, third option is root 3 by 4, this is 2 by root 3. Okay. So actually this problem is related to the geometry problem. The equation to the base of an equilateral triangle is 3x minus 4y plus 15 is equal to 0. One vertex is 1 comma 2. The length of the side, check 1 comma 2, 3 minus 8, it will not satisfy. That means 1 comma 2 does not lie on this line. So that means now you draw the equilateral triangle. This is not to the scale, don't worry. Say A point, B, C. Let us say this equation is 3x minus 4y plus 15 equals to 0. Let us say side A, we need to find out A. Drop the perpendicular. Say this is H, this will be D point. So A coordinates are here 1 comma 2. First let us find out H here. So H equals to perpendicular distance from A to BC. So that is equal to 3 minus 8 plus 15 by root of 9 plus 16 is mod. This will be equal to 10 by 5. This will be 2. For example, A is the side of an equilateral triangle. H is given by the formula. We know H is equal to root 3 by 2A. Am I correct? The altitude or height of a equilateral triangle is root 3 by 2 times A. So we need to find out A. That means root 3 by 2A equals to 2. Now root 3A equals to 4. A equals to 4 by root 3. That means first option is the right option. First option is the right option. One not 3. Saroja, you need to join. So formula that is actually Balu. That's a formula. So that means only the probability one chapter is left. Basic probability that I will complete Gen. Yesterday something you said while I was teaching vectors. I was not able to understand. Please could you type once again, Mr. Gen. Yes, you can take sin 60 also. Sin 60 also, opposite side by hypotenuse, h by a equals to h secant 60. You will get answer. The number of lines, that can be drawn through the point four comma minus 5 at a distance of at a distance of 10 units from the point 1 comma 3 is first option 0, second option 1, third option 2, fourth option infinite. This is the question. The number of lines that can be drawn through the point 4 comma 5 at a distance of 10 units from the point 1 comma 3. I will explain one shortcut for you. One shortcut. These kind of problems are there, you apply this shortcut. What is the shortcut means? Given points you say P point and Q point. For example, given points is P point is, let the given points, let points be P Q. Find distance, PQ distance. say given distance is d, this will be d. For example, first PQ is less than d, number of lines equal to 0, no line can be drawn. Second, if PQ equal to d, number of lines 1. Now third, PQ is greater than d, number of lines 2. So first actually say this is P point and Q point, P point and Q point. Find PQ distance 4 minus 1 3 square minus 5 minus 3 minus 8 square under root. This will be 9 plus 64 root 73. Root 73. Root 73 is actually, root 73 will be definitely less than 10, d is equal to 10. So PQ will be less than d. PQ will be less than d means number of lines is equal to 0. So first option is the right option. First option is the right option. Because PQ square is equal to 73, d square is 100. PQ square is less than d square, PQ is less than d. So number of lines is equal to 0. Okay. One not 4. The number of circles, the number of circles that touch all the 3 lines, all the 3 lines 2x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0, 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0, 2x plus y minus 8 equals to 0. First option 0, second option 1, third option 2, fourth option 4. the number of circles that touch all the three lines. So, that means for example, you see here these three lines are parallel. These three lines are parallel means, so we cannot draw the circles which touch all the three lines. That means first option is the right option. First option is the right option. Right. So, otherwise you can find out det find out. Det means 2 1 1 2 1 minus 5 2 1 minus 8. Here two columns are identical, this will be 0. So, that means it won't form a triangle. That is why we cannot draw in circle, we cannot draw x circles. Then generally one in circle, 3 x circles, total 4 circles maximum possible. Understood now? So, that is why here option is 1. One not 5. The area of the quadrilateral formed by the lines A mod x plus B mod y plus C equals to 0 is first option 2c square by ab square, second option 2c square by ab, third option 2c by a square b, fourth option 2c by ab square. This is the question. Area of the quadrilateral formed by the lines A mod x plus B mod y plus C equals to 0. That means actually mod x is equal to, you can take plus or minus x, mod y is equal to, you can take plus or minus y. You get 4 lines. So, that means you draw take the coordinate axis. For example, if you consider positive sign, you get a line like this. For other sign, you get like this. Total you get 4 lines. They form a quadrilateral. Area of this quadrilateral we need to find out. So, for example, this origin, find area of this triangle, multiply with 4 times area of the quadrilateral formed by these 4 lines, you will get it. Actually it represents 4 lines. So, that means actually this area is nothing but area of the triangle formed by the line with the coordinate axis. So, for example, say this area is delta 1, that is half mod c square by AB. How many such triangles we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles, they are equal only. So, delta is equal to 4 times of into c square by AB. So, this will be 2 c square by AB square units. So, that means second option is the right option. Second option. Sandeep, who is that fellow? Right, 4 triangles actually. So, figure is not up to the actually years to the scale. One not 6, yes, 106. The diagonals of the parallelogram the diagonal of the parallelogram whose sides are Lx plus My plus n equals to 0, Lx plus My plus n1 is equal to 0, Mx plus Ly plus n is equal to 0, Nx plus Mx plus Ly plus n1 is equal to 0. Include an angle, First option pi by 3, second option pi by 2, third option right tan inverse L square minus m square by L square plus m square. Fourth one, tan inverse 2 Lm by L square plus m square. Okay. The diagonals of the parallelogram whose sides are Lx plus My plus n is equal to 0, Lx plus My plus n1 is equal to 0, Mx plus Ly plus n is equal to 0, Mx plus Ly plus n is equal to 0. Include an angle. So, that means the nature of the parallelogram we need to find out. So, what kind of parallelogram is formed? What kind of quadrilateral is formed? Whether it is a rhombus, whether it is a square, depending on that the angle between the diagonals we can find out. So, that means we need to find out angle between the diagonals of a parallelogram we need to find out. So that means first of all 106 solution. What are the given lines? Lx plus my plus n equals to 0. Say equation 1. Next equation Lx plus my plus n1 equals to 0. This is second equation. What is third equation? Mx plus ly plus n equals to 0. Equation 3. Mx plus ly plus n1 equals to 0. This is fourth equation. So let us draw the figure now. Okay, say this is equation 1. It is clear that equation 1 is parallel to equation 2 because x, y coefficients are same. That is why these two are parallel. 1 and 2 are parallel, 3 and 4 are parallel. Say A, C, B, D. Now what we need to do means distance between 1 and 2, distance between 3 and 4 you find out. So distance between 1 and 2, that means distance between the parallel lines, mod of C2 minus C1 n minus n1 by root of L square plus m square. Next, distance between three and 4, this also same, n minus n1 by root of L square plus m square. Suppose this is say P, this is Q, distances, P is equal to Q. So that means distance from here to here, here to here same. That means it forms a rhombus. It forms a rhombus. We know that in rhombus diagonals are perpendicular each other, and also bisect each other. So that means angle between diagonals, they include angle 90 degrees, pi by 2. So you may ask one doubt, so when do we get square? For example, 1 and 3, 2 and 4 are perpendicular and distance between the parallel lines are same, then it forms a square. Any shortcut means this is the shortcut itself only. Without finding Harinarayana Kalkari, can I know more about deep subject? Diagonals may not be equal, but in a rhombus diagonals are not at all equal. They are actually perpendicularly bisect each other. They are perpendicular and as well as bisect each other. That means in a rhombus like this. So these are the diagonals. Diagonals may not be equal, but they are perpendicular. In a square, sides are perpendicular. See, 1 and 2 are parallel, 3 and 4 are parallel. Perpendicular distance between these two find out, they are equal. So, that means actually if this distance between this one and this one are equal, then it forms a rhombus. In a rhombus, the diagonals are perpendicular. So, that I have written actually 90 degrees. Why it is not a square? See, you check it, the slope of first line is minus L by M, slope of third line is minus M by L, product cannot be equal to minus 1. So, they are not perpendicular. So, it is not a square. One not 7. The area of the triangle, the area of the triangle, the area of the triangle formed by the lines y is equal to x plus 1, second, x plus y is equal to 3, y is equal to 0 in square units is, that means area of the triangle formed by these three lines you need to find out. First option is 1, second option is 2, third option is 3, fourth option is 4. Area of the triangle formed by the lines y is equal to x plus 1, x plus y is equal to 3, y is equal to 0. So, that means this is the triangle, say ABC, say this is equation 1, this is equation 2, equation 3. So, y equals to x plus 1, equation 1, x plus y equal to 3, equation 2, y equals to 0, equation 3. Solving 1 and 3, put y is equal to 0 in equation 1, 0 is equal to x plus 1, x equals to minus 1. Therefore, A coordinates are minus 1 comma 0. Now, solving 1 and 2, solving 1 and 2 means put y is equal to x plus 1 here, 2x plus 1 is equal to 3, x equals to 1, x equals to 1 means y equals to 2, that means B coordinates are 1 comma 2. Solving 2 and 3, put y is equal to 0 in 2, x is equal to 3. Therefore, C coordinates are 3 comma 0. That means A coordinates are how much? Minus 1 comma 0. B coordinates are how much? 1 comma 2. C coordinates are 3 comma 0. Now, find out area of the triangle. Find out area of the triangle. that means delta is equal to half mod, so minus 1 1 minus 1 1 3 minus 1. Y coordinates 0 2 0 2 0 0, that is half modulus of minus 2 minus 0 plus 0 minus 6 0 plus 0. This will be mod minus 8, 8 half into 8 is 4. So, fourth option, option number 4. One not 8, right. The figure formed by the lines 2x minus 5y plus 4 equals to 0, 5x plus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0, 2x minus 5y plus 3 equals to 0, 5x plus 2y minus 6 equals to 0 is first parallelogram, second rhombus, third rectangle, fourth square. Sheshasai, don't say like that, because now presently that is very important. 108, it has special character. It is divisible by 9, it is divisible by 3, and wonderful number, right. The first equation is 2x minus 5y plus 4 equals to 0, say equation 1. Second equation is 5x plus 2y minus plus 7 equals to 0, this is equation 2. 2x minus 5y plus 3 equals to 0, equation 3. 5x plus 2y minus 6 equals to 0, equation 4. So, it is clear that actually 1 and 3 are parallel, 1 parallel to 3 and 1 3, 2 and 4 are parallel. And one more thing, 1 and 2 are perpendicular. You see, slope is 2 by 5 minus 5 by 2. Product of the slopes are a1 a2 plus b1 b2 condition. You check this condition. a1 a2 plus b1 b2 must be 0. You check 5 into 2 10, 10 minus 10 0. So, 1 and 2 are perpendicular. 1, 2 and 2 are perpendicular. Similarly, 10 minus 10, 3 and 4 are perpendicular. Now you can draw the figure like this now. So you will be getting figure like this. So now 1 and 2 are perpendicular, 1, 2 perpendicular, 2 and 4 are parallel, and next 1 parallel to 3. This is 1, equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 3, equation 4. Equation 4. 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. At present it may be rectangle or square, we need to check. That means distance between 1 and 3, distance between 1 and 3 and distance between 2 and 4 we need to find out. So distance between 1 and 3, distance between 1 and 3. So distance between 1 and 3 means how much you will be getting? 4 minus 3, 1 by root of, that will be 4 plus 25. Now distance between 1 and 3 is completed. Now 2 and 4, 2 and 4. So distance between 2 and 4 means actually here you have 7 plus 6 is 13 by root 29. They are not same, not equal. Say P, this is Q. P does not equal to Q. That is why it is a rectangle, not a square. Rectangle. That means third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. If the distance between the parallel lines are equal, then that may be a square, but they are not equal. That is why they form a rectangle. One not 9. The area of the quadrilateral formed by the lines 4x minus 7y minus 13 equals to 0, 8x minus y minus 39 equals to 0, 4x minus 7y plus 39 equals to 0, 8x minus y plus 13 equals to 0 is first option 36, second option 52, third 8, fourth 124. ఏసీ ఆన్ చేశారా? నథింగ్. ఓకే. area of the quadrilateral formed by the lines 4x minus 7y minus 13 equals to 0, 8x minus y minus 39 equals to 0, 4x minus 7y plus 39 equals to 0, 8x minus y plus 13 equals to 0. So, that means actually so now whether the quadrilateral may be a rectangle or square or parallelogram or rhombus, formula is same. You remember this formula, required formula. So, area of quadrilateral equals to mod of C1 minus D1, that means first two parallel lines, second parallel lines C2 minus D2 by A1 A2 A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Here write down. See, these two are the parallel lines, these two are the parallel lines, these two are the parallel lines. Distance between this one now, C1 minus D1, C1 is minus 13 and minus 39 into, here actually minus 39 C2 and minus 13 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So, A1 B2, A1 is 4, B2 is minus 1. So, that is minus 4 minus of A2, A2 is actually 8 into B1, B1 is how much? Minus 7, it is mod. So, mod of 39 plus 13 is actually 52, minus into minus plus, 52 into 52 by 56 minus 4, 52, 52 gets cancelled, we have 52. So, second option is the right option, second option is the right option. (110) two vertices of a triangle, are 5 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma 3 if the orthocenter of the triangle is origin, then the third vertex is First option 4 comma 7, second option is 4 comma minus 7, third option is minus 4 comma 7, fourth option minus 4 comma minus 7. Okay. Two vertices of a triangle are given 5 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma 3, and orthocenter of the triangle is given origin. Then third vertex we need to find out. Okay. The two vertices of a triangle are 5 comma minus 1 minus 2 comma 3. Orthocenter of the triangle is origin. Third vertex we need to find out. So that means (110). See, for example, this is triangle ABC. Here A coordinates is, let us say, 5 comma minus 1, this is triangle ABC. Say A coordinates are 5 comma minus 1, B coordinates are minus 2 comma 3, C coordinates not given, question mark, orthocenter given, this H 0 comma 0, orthocenter. Now we need to find out C. Here C equals to orthocenter of triangle AHB. That means now we need to find out orthocenter of 0 comma 0, 5 comma minus 1, minus 2 comma 3. That means orthocenter of (0 comma 0, 5 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma 3. We know the shortcut, we have discussed it. Say x1 comma y1, this is x2 comma y2. First find k value. K value is equal to x1 x2 plus y1 y2 x1 y2 minus x2 y1. x1 x2 means minus 10, y1 y2 is minus 3, correct? Okay. Now x1 y2 is 15 minus x2 into plus 2 into minus 2, this will be minus 1. Now orthocenter is equal to, that means C equals to minus k times y1 minus y2 comma k times x1 minus x2. So this is equal to k is minus 1. So we have 1 only, y1 minus y2. y1 minus y2 means how much we will be getting? y1 minus y2 means minus 1 minus 3 comma k is minus 1 of x1 minus x2, 5 plus 2. This is minus 4 comma minus 7, minus 4 comma minus 7. minus 4 comma minus 7. Fourth option is the right option. You check it now. x1 x2 minus 10 y1 y2 minus 3 x1 5 y2 3 15 minus x2 minus into minus plus 2 into minus 1 13 minus 13 by 13 minus 1 k is equal to minus 1 minus k means 1 y1 minus y2 minus 1 minus 3 so minus 4 minus k is minus 1 x1 minus x2 5 plus 2 7 minus 4 comma minus 7. Okay, I think now straight line is over, completed. So now at least so tomorrow onwards we shall start a new chapter. What shall we start? Give our option. Right. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.